using AutoCAD software, you just go to the AutoCAD screen and switch off the trig mode, enable the ortho mode. So go to limits, LIMITS. So here LIMI limits, reset specify lower left corner 0, 0. So upper right corner 297, 210. Say zoom all. Now we'll go for line command. Draw a horizontal line by clicking from first button of the mouse, and again for the specify next point, again you drag the mouse in the horizontal direction and click on the first button of the mouse at some distance. Similarly, you move it in upward direction and click on the first button of the mouse, then go to offset. So first set the distance as 210. So take the horizontal line and offset to the top side, and here then 297. So you select this vertical line and offset to the left side. Then go to zoom extent and then zoom 0.6x. Zoom previous. So then go to zoom 0.6x. So go to fillet. So set the radius as 0. So you select between these two. You select this between these two. Similarly, you select between these two. Once you get this, then go to text, go to caps lock on. So you remove this caps lock and type the specify height as 4 and rotation angle as 0. Remove the caps lock, type the problem number 45. A line capital AB measuring 70 mm has its end A 15 mm in front of VP and 20 mm above HP, and the other end capital B 60 mm in front of VP and 50 mm above HP. Draw the projections of the line and find the inclinations of the line with both the reference planes of projections. Say enter, and then you just press enter key. Now we will go for layer. So now we are going to create the different layers. Now first go to new, type the XY layer, enter, and go to new, type views, enter, and go to new layer, type true length, enter, and go to new, type locus, then enter. So here first we are going to line weight. The default line weight of layer 0 has to be 0.05, and say OK. Then come down to XY line. Default is 0.13, so you just click on this. So then go to views. The default line type line weight is 0.4. Say OK. So the true length, the default will be 0.25, and say OK. And the locus default will be 0.05, and say OK. And the locus line type should be changed to dash dot. You just click on continuous and then click on load and bring the cursor here and type the dash dot in first character D, and say the cursor jumps to dash dot, and click and say OK, and then you click on the dash dot and say OK. Now the dash dot line type has been changed. So once you do this, these are the initial settings. Then go to close it. So go to line, put the ortho mode on. So you just click on this line, draw one horizontal line, and go to offset. Take the distance as 20. Select this horizontal line, offset by 20 mm to the top side. Again you take offset, take the distance as 15. Select this to the bottom side. Then go to line, draw one vertical line of some distance, so that it will going to cross both the horizontal lines. So front fillet between these two and fillet between these two. Once you do that, then you have the offset distance of 50 in the, take the XY line and offset by 50 in the top side. Then again you go to the offset, take the distance as 60 and select this horizontal line, that is the XY line, and take it to the downward direction. Then he says go to arc, take the center point. So suppose if I take intersection, the start point of arc, you just click on this if you get any radius now. So here go to circle, take intersection point of this and take the radius as 70. So you type 70, then go to break, select this circle. Always circle will be broken in the anti-clockwise direction. You just click over this, again you break between these two, so you delete this. Similarly go to circle, take the intersection point of this. Since already you have taken the radius as 70, so by default it will going to take the previous value, so you just press enter. So go to break, so break this arc circle from here to here, then again you break from here to here. Then go to erase, then go to line, draw a line from intersection point of this to intersection point of this. Similarly draw a line from intersection point of this to intersection point of these two. So then again go to line, type intersection of this two and draw a vertical line. Then go to fillet between these two. Similarly line intersection point of this to drag this to the front view and take this between trim corner between these two. Then go to circle, take intersection point of this to intersection point of this. So this will going to be the top view. So go to line, take intersection point of this to intersection point of this. So then go to trim between this line and this line, you trim this. Similarly go to circle, take intersection point of this to intersection point of this. Then go to line, take intersection point of this line to intersection point of this line. Then go to trim between this line and remove this arc. Again go to line from intersection point of this to intersection point of this line. So once you do that, now you're going to remove the extra lines. So go to break this line till here and you break this line till here. Similarly you break this XY line till here and you break this line till here. You take this locus line and break it till here and you take it here. Come down to zoom window and change the line thicknesses now. So to do that, so just go to CH command by selecting the XY line, go to layer, you make that as the XY line. So now you enable line weight, so then you escape. You take the front view and the top view and go to layer and make this as views. So you can see the line thickness has been changed. Go to true length between these two, go to layer and make that as true length. So then escape. Similarly you select this and you select this and make this layer as locus line. Then take the line type as scale factor as 10, so that you are going to change the visibility. So then you have this line which is select between these two, you select this change, so go to true length is already there. So this is how you will be able to change all the line thicknesses of the lines. So now we will go for the detext. So go to detext command, so put the text matter here. So type X, you type Y, type vertical plane, you horizontal plane, and here you have A and here you have B, and here you have locus of B, and here you have locus of B, and here you have capital B, and here you have capital A, capital A. Then go to A dash, this as B dash, this as A, and this as B, this as B1 dash, and this as B1, and this as B2, and this as B2 dash. Now we need to move the text matters. So go to X and move it appropriately. So similarly on the vertical plane and the horizontal plane. So then go to A, place it wherever you want. So go to this A and move it. Similarly B. So this is B2. Move. Take B2. Then go to locus of B. Then you have capital B. Then B1. Then B2 dash. Then go to A dash. Then go to A. Then go to B dash. B1 dash. Then go to capital B. Then go to locus of B. So all these things which have been done. Now we'll go for dimensioning. So to do that, so go to DDIM. So here go to modify. Then primary units, you make it 0. Precision is 0. So then go to text. Align with the dimension line. Text height is 4. Centered becomes above. Then this dimension is 3. Offset from the dimension line. Arrow size is 4. Then go to lines. Make this as 3. And say OK. And say close. So go to dim vertical. Select between intersection point of this to intersection point of this. So you're going to get 20. Similarly, vertical, take intersection point of this to intersection point of this. So you're going to get 15. So then dim aligned, select this line and take this length as 70. Then dim vertical, take nearest point on this, take perpendicular to this line. So you're going to get 50. So dim vertical, nearest point on this to perpendicular to this, you're going to get 60. Then we need to find out the inclinations. So dim, so go to DDIM, so go to modify, so come down to primary units. So this angular dimension, you make it 0.00, say OK and close. So dim angular, select between this line and this line. So theta will be equal to 25.38. So go to text. So 25, don't give the space, and then you place it here. Then go to dim angular, select between this line and this line. So you're going to get it as 34.02, which is alpha. So go to text, select the text option. So enter dimension text, don't give any value there. Press the space bar and enter, you place it. Then go to dim angular, select between this line and this line. So here 40.015. So you go to text, don't give this, type the text, give space bar, enter, and you place it. Similarly, dim angular between this line and this line. So you're going to get 45.36, which is beta. So go to text. So don't enter the value, you just give the space bar and enter, and you place it. Go to M text. So select any one. So select the one corner, you just come down to text, type symbol. So select this. So here this will be theta is means Q. So enter. So then go to copy, select this and place it here and also here and also here. So then go to DD edit. So this will be phi, type F. So we're going to get phi. So this will be type small letter B. You're going to get beta, and this letter will be Q, theta, phi. So this is A. You're going to get alpha. So this is how you will be able to write the solution. Now we need to write the leader. So from here, go to nearest point on this line and drag it. So sorry, leader, sorry, LEA, nearest point on this and place it. Annotation option none. Then go to leader, go to nearest, select this drag it, annotation, option, none. So go to leader, now switch off the ortho mode, take nearest point and place it here, then go to annotation, option, none. So go to leader, nearest point on this and place it appropriately, annotation, option, none. Now you just go to explore by typing X, select this line, select this line and select this line. Then go to erase, erase this, erase this, erase this and erase this. So now we will go for writing the answers. So these are the solutions. Now we need to write the solution. So go to the text, put the caps lock on, type answers. So now here go to line, so put the ortho mode on, so type this and place it here and then go to the text, so type 25.38 percentage D for degrees. Then go to offset, take the distance as 7. Then go to copy. So go to copy, select this theta, select this and copy it here. So it will come down to this. Then go to copy, select this line, go to ortho mode on, copy, select this, put the ortho mode on, so drag it and place it. Similarly you place it here. Then go to trim this line till here and trim this line till here. So you get this. Then go to copy, select this and put the ortho mode on, 25.38. So you copy 4 texts, go to DD edit. So this will going to be 40.01 and this will be 34.02 and this will be 45.36. So now you go to zoom previous and go to copy. So now you copy this 5 here, put the ortho mode off and type 5 here. So now this will be alpha, you copy this alpha and you copy this theta here. So this is how you will be able to write the solution. And then go to save, go to appropriate drive, go to E drive, go to AutoCAD, line drawing, type P45 and say enter. So this is how you will be able to save and finally you exit the